Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as you can tell, I've already got the canvas prepped with some paint, black and blue. I wanted a fairly dark background. Now normally the canvases I would use are the kind that have the wood frame with the canvas stretched over, fairly typical. But I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm using one of these really thin ones, which is mounted, probably on cardboard, I imagine. I'm not even sure. And the reason I'm doing that, this is by request. This is actually a painting for my son. He liked the feather painting I had done so much. He wanted one to put in his locker. And so I needed something that was a little more compact. And the colors I shall be using for the feather itself, I've got some blue, some turquoise, and just a little bit of pink. And so we'll go ahead and start with the blue. That'll be the main color. Let's just see how we're going to do this. Oh, I should mention, as far as additives, the only additives on the black and the blue are water. I didn't even add the PVA glue. And on the other colors, it's just water and PVA glue. No alcohol, dish soap, what have you, no extra additives. So I'm not looking to get any sort of cell formation. That's not what this is about today. And we'll just get a tiny little bit for the, I don't know, what would that be called? The base part? The part that sticks into the bird. I'm not sure. I'm sure it has a proper name. But I do not know what it is. And I accidentally bumped the canvas, so I'm just going to smooth that little bit out. There. Done. And I think for the first little bit, we'll just keep it blue. So add just a tiny bit more blue. I'll spread that around. And then we'll go ahead and add a bit of the turquoise. About this level. Just a little bit more of the turquoise. Alright, oh, and as well as with the previous feather painting, I'll be swiping the paint with feathers. I've got some that are cut blunt to give a wider contact, and I've got some that is left as is to give a finer point, finer contact. So we'll start with the blunt and go from there. Just kind of doing it broadly right now. We'll add some detail in a short while. Oops. Trying to keep a very light contact. don't want to go through and scrape off, scrape up, well, either way, any of the black. Blue a little bit. Do it. Just tidy up the green before we move on. And just a bit of pink. I don't think it'll end up being very much, but well, we'll see. Pretty much a Pepto pink. I think the actual pink I used was called Tutti Frutti. Alright, let's get that spread out. That's going to need to be tidied up a little bit, and in fact I need to extend that green out a bit. Alright, a little more pink. Now, let's go in with the fine point feathers and see if we can add the details. Oh, I know what I forgot. Let's see. I think I used this purple. Add something right down the middle. There. Still needs a bit more details, I think. Get a fresh feather on that. little more pink. Let's see here. Alright, that might do it. Oh, and just those few tiny little tufts right near the bottom, near the, I don't know, stem, the root. I'm not sure what that's called. As I said, I'm sure it has a proper name. I just am not privy to what it is. All right. Oh, okay, I got a blob of paint there. I got to connect. No problem. There. That. Do it, I think. Oh, hold on a moment. I don't like that area right there. I got to touch that up. There we are. That's better. All right. I need a tiny bit more blue. Just a wee bit. Oops. Drag that a little too hard. I got a broad feather. I'm going to try a fine point here. Just need to extend it a tiny bit. All right, yeah, that's going to do it. Yeah, I like how that looks. All right, well, I don't have to let it sit because, as I said, I don't have any crazy additives or any self-forming additives or anything like that. So that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It would be greatly appreciated. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next painting comes out. Thank you again so much for watching. And I will see all you wonderful people next time.